Ditch the manual coding and supercharge your Facebook advertising with this clear guide on harnessing Google Tag Manager for your Facebook pixel in under 90 seconds. First things first, you'll need a Facebook pixel set up in your Facebook Ads Manager and a Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you've got access to both. If you need help create those accounts, there's plenty of amazing videos that can get you set up easily. Now, let's head over to your Google Tag Manager account. Click on Add a new tag to get started. In the tag configuration, select the tag type. Here you'll find several options. Look for Facebook Pixel and choose that. Moving on to the setup, it's time to insert your pixel ID. You'll find this pixel ID in your Facebook Ads Manager. Next, choose the events you want to track, standard events like page view, and advanced options like purchase or add to cart. This is where you tell Facebook what actions you want to monitor on your site. Configure the events like view content based on your business goals. Next up is your triggering settings. This is where your tag will fire, or what event will cause the pixel to be triggered. In most cases, you would start by using all pages to track all website visitors via page views, but you can also customize triggers for specific events. Before you officially press publish, it is important to preview your work. Activate preview mode in GTM and visit your website. Check if the Facebook pixel is triggering correctly. If you have a Facebook pixel helper installed, this will easily identify if everything is working properly. Once everything looks good, go back into Google Tag Manager and submit your changes. Click Submit, give the version a descriptive name, and publish it. Congratulations! You have now successfully connected your Facebook pixel to your website using Google Tag Manager. Now, all your actions will be tracked for your Facebook campaigns.